Turn words into movies. Flow is Google's new AI filmmaking tool that transforms simple prompts into stunning cinematic scenes, powered by Veo, Imagen, and Gemini. No cameras, no crew, just pure creative freedom in your browser. Once you open Flow, you'll land in the project view, where all your storyboards, concepts, and scene experiments live. It's intuitive, visual, and easy to navigate. When you click into a project, every clip you generate appears below, instantly. For example, you might begin with something like a lone astronaut walking across a crimson desert on Mars at sunset, camera slowly pulling back. Type it in, and Flow renders a clip that feels like it belongs in a sci-fi blockbuster. At the heart of Flow is the prompt box. By default, you're in text-to-video mode. Just describe your scene, and Flow generates a video. Something like a noir detective lighting a cigarette in a dark alley, rain falling under neon lights, is all it takes to spark the engine. But there's more. Switch modes through the drop-down to unlock additional creative control. In frames-to-video mode, you can upload or select your own images as starting or ending points. You can define visual anchors, like the first frame, the last frame, or both, and Flow animates the action in between. Let's say you want a dramatic cinematic sweep. You might set a prompt like, start with a medieval castle at dawn, end with knights charging across the drawbridge, wide cinematic camera sweep. No need to write out the camera movement. Just select it from the visual controls and preview it in real time. Now, let's move into ingredients to video mode. Think of this like building a scene with digital Lego blocks. You pick key visual elements, characters, objects, settings, and Flow lets you define how they interact. It's perfect for building consistent storytelling across scenes. For example, you could select a samurai, a cherry blossom tree, and a temple rooftop, and then write, the samurai meditates beneath the tree as petals fall, then leaps onto the rooftop in a blur of motion. It's all composable and infinitely customizable. The magic really happens when you reuse ingredients. Flow keeps consistency across your clips, so your samurai, astronaut, or detective doesn't magically change outfits between scenes. Whether you're crafting a sci-fi saga, a fantasy tale, or just experimenting with ideas, this tool gives you the power of a film crew, editor, and VFX team right at your fingertips. All you need to do is type. So go ahead, show a lone knight staring at a burning village under stormy skies, or zoom through a futuristic city at night, drones buzzing past neon skyscrapers. Whatever you imagine, Flow can bring it to life. We can't wait to see what you create.